Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to the Online Cook. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today, I'll be showing you how to make coconut chicken perfectly. This chicken coconut milk recipe is tasty, soft, and well seasoned from the inside. This is my personal method, and the result is guaranteed to be perfect every time. You will love this, and all you have to do is to trust the process. Now, wear your apron, let's start cooking. Into my pot, I'll pour 1 kg already cleaned chicken drumsticks. Next, I'll season with some salt, bay leaves, curry powder, onion paste, thyme, ginger powder, and garlic powder. For extra spice, I would also be adding some chili pepper paste. This is optional but nice. Now I'll add some water, about 1.5 cup of water. I'll stir well and cook for 30 to 35 minutes. If you like the actual measurements of all the ingredients I used to season the chicken, please check the description box as I'll leave all the measurements over there. I'll cook for 35 minutes, and after 35 minutes it's time for baking. I like to bake my chicken to get the crispy taste that I love in my coconut chicken recipe. Into my oven tray, I'll put the chicken, but before then I have already lined the oven tray with parchment paper. Now I'll arrange my chicken and I'll go ahead to bake in 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Trust me, you will love this. And if you're yet to like and subscribe, what are you waiting for? While the chicken is baking, I'd add 1/3 cup of cooking oil into my pot and allow it to get hot. Now I'll go ahead and fry onions in the hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll be stir frying the onions until it is a bit transparent. And as you can guess, right now the kitchen is having this lovely aroma. You need to try this recipe. I'll go ahead and add my sliced peppers. I'm using red bell pepper and green bell pepper for this. Feel free to use any color of bell pepper of your choice. While stir frying, I like to say this. This recipe is so nice, and if you're interested in Nigerian foods, I'll suggest you try this recipe, okay? Now I'll season with some salt, curry powder, thyme, bay leaves, and stock cube, and I'll go in with the chicken stock. Basically, chicken stock is the liquid gotten from cooking the chicken with all those spices. And if you are not using your chicken stock to make delicious meals, you're missing out on a lot of flavor. It's time for the coconut milk, and I'll be using 2 tins of coconut milk. I'll pour those in, stir very well as well, and then it's time to cook. But before I cook, because I love my food to be spicy and nice, I'll be adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of chili pepper paste again. I'll give it a good stir. And now it's time for the chicken. First, I'll add my diced chicken just to give that flavor, and you're chewing something and you're chewing a little bit of chicken when you're having the coconut sauce. But that's not all. After I add the diced chicken, I'll still add my roasted or oven baked chicken. Take a look at how lovely, brown, and enticing it looks. You really need to start baking your chicken instead of frying. Sometimes I choose to bake my chicken for a healthier option or a healthier result. Now it's time to cook. I'll cover the pot and cook for about 10 minutes, just enough time for the coconut sauce and everything I have in the sauce to get into the chicken to make it soft, juicy, and tasty. It's 10 minutes already. Now it's time to scoop out the chicken from the coconut sauce. One thing I'll let you know is in my next video, I'll be sharing with you what to use this coconut sauce for. It is so flavorful, so rich, and delicious. So make sure you stay tuned, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. Of course, share this video to your family and friends, because in 2026, we should be exploring on more delicious chicken recipes. We should be going out and branching out into other recipes that are delicious and nice. And I guarantee that trying this is a yes from me to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I post new videos every week, so don't forget to visit this channel every week to see what I have in store for you. And to all my Nigerian food lovers, you are in the right place because I have so many recipes to share with you. Now, this is what my coconut milk chicken sauce looks like, and this is delicious. It is nice. It goes perfectly with rice, pasta, any food of your choice. Till I post next. Bye.